Hey, this is Brandon Nielsen. So I want to talk about Supergirl, and I'm seeing a lot of negative reviews. And mind you, I have not seen the movie yet. I didn't see the movie. I plan to go see it this Sunday. I can't see it tomorrow. It's almost impossible, but because of the schedule of my daughter's birthday and everything. It's just too much happening. But I plan to go see it this Sunday, and I'm seeing all these negative reviews, and it seems like it might be a bad movie, but I don't know. It might be good. But I don't believe these negative reviews, honestly, because it was so popular to hate on Supergirl in the last 3 months, 4 months, because of what she said about Christian dance and because of the casting choice for the actress for the Supergirl, movie. Her being the worst choice for Supergirl. I don't think she's the worst, but that's what they're saying, and that she's been, supporting LGBTQ movement, I guess, because she said in honor of Pride Month or whatever. So it really hurt the moving going experience for Supergirl for the fans. So I don't know, but I'm still gonna go see it anyway. I don't care what she said. That's her opinion because she's an actress. She's not Supergirl in real life. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go see it anyway, and support her even still. And I think she's a good casting, in my opinion. But I have not seen the movie, so I don't know I don't know what she's like in the movie. So I might really love it, or I might actually hate it. So I don't know. But all this hate against her, this hate train, just hating on her and hating the movie, hating anything to do with James Gunn. So right now, I don't believe these negative reviews. It's really hard to believe them right now, especially now that it just came out and they're coming out saying, oh, it's 0 out of 10, oh, it's 2 out of 5. It's like, really? It can't be that bad. There's just no way. There's no way. I refuse to believe that. Is it really, like some people were saying, it's worse than Supergirl 1984 with Helen Slater. Really? Is it really that bad? There's no way. It can't be that bad. Which one is bad? Fantastic Four? From years ago, not First Steps, the other one, the naked thing. Was that worse, or is Supergirl worse than that? Which one? It's like, just really think about the worst movie ever and compare that to Supergirl. Is it really that bad? Like, it's hard to believe right now. So, in my opinion, I don't hate on Snyder. I think his first 2 movies were actually really enjoyable, kind of, that were like Man of Steel and Batman v Superman. So I do like these films. I do like them, but it was a mess of that universe, that DC extended universe. It's kind of a mess. So I'm glad we're starting over, honestly. And this new actor for Superman, amazing, wonderful. So I'm really happy with the new casting, honestly. especially for Superman and Lois. Just perfect casting. And now, next is, you know, Milly Alcock as Supergirl. So I made a video right now because I'm seeing all these negative reviews. Like, for instance, I saw one on IMDb website, and the negative reviews are just so much of them, like 0 out of 10, but it's a huge bar, like the biggest one compared to the rest, and it just doesn't fit. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't match. It makes no sense. So it's really obvious that the Snyder fans are, you know, boat bombing that. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called boat bombing. And so they're just going in huge numbers, a group, you know, they're helping each other, trying to downvote that movie. It's really immature. Like, seriously, guys, stop it. Grow up. Now that what I have seen, many writers have been complaining about Supergirl in the last few months. And they will post like over 50 different videos complaining about Supergirl and saying, oh, it will bomb at the box office because of what she said in real life. Like, guys, just think about it. They talk like that with, say, Masters of the Universe, and they have a hard on saying, oh, see, I told you it bombed because it was a bad movie. Do you really think it's a bad movie? Just think about it. It didn't do well at the box office, but there's many people who have seen that movie. They're saying that's a good movie. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of contradictions going on with them, and I don't trust their rating when it comes to Supergirl. I really don't trust them. So I'm gonna make up my own mind and just go by myself and go see it with my wife and just go see the movie ourselves and find out if it's actually good or bad. But these people, they're complaining. They have to go review seeing it. Like, you know, they have been complaining about Supergirl in the last few months, saying it will bomb and it will fail at the box office, and say it won't be the worst movie ever, and they want James Gunn to be fired, and they want to restore the SnYdErVeRsE. Fuck off. Like, and then they go see a movie. You think they would give it a better rating? You think they won't be biased about it? Come on. They're lying. They're lying their asses off. I don't believe their negative reviews. So I'm gonna wait until Sunday to go see the movie for myself, and I will let you know unbiased views about the movie, and you know, let you know if it's really that bad or if it's really that good. But by now, so what do you think? Have you seen the movie? And don't spoil anything, please. Thank you.